Good afternoon, tutor and classmate. My name is Juan David Salamanca. I live in Envigado City. My cell phone is 318-399-3046. This is my ninth semester in the university. My email address is jdsalamanca@gmail.com. Those are my answers to the question. First, how do you compare the quotation from Wallace Chaff at the beginning of the chapter with the purpose of linguistics? Focus on the glass is an interesting exercise because of the transparency of the language, the glass, that mainly as speakers aren't aware of the internal mechanism that rules our daily conversation. The purpose of linguistics is to describe the language and the use of it. The variation of the speech is to give an explanation. For this reason, he introduced ourselves a new kind of communication, a meta-communication that allows us to portray it. Why do you think some people approach the study of linguistics with apprehensiveness? Is your case? Explain. Linguistics is a science like mathematics or biology, and some people like it and others not. It is a matter of choice and perhaps abilities. This isn't my case because I'm very interested in language and dialects, and one kind of approach is through the form and the function of them. The linguistic about correctness in language use. Explain. Linguistic is more than that. It's a description and not a prescription on the language use. What are the names of the greatest contribution to linguistic field? How do you label each of them? For example, Ferdinand de Saussure, the father of modern linguistics. My rename. Ferdinand de Saussure, open gate to the arbitrariness. Noam Chomsky, finite rules, infinite possibilities. M.I.C. Holiday. What is your mood? Well, my friends, this is my presentation. I expect your comments. Well, have a nice night and a big hug. Bye bye.